I'm just traveling, traveling, traveling. I'm just traveling on.
You about set?
I think we are just about ready.
All right, this is a spontaneous trip.
Yeah, it's definitely that. I think we booked this trip about 2 days ago. We had a free weekend. The weather looked pretty decent, and we decided we would knock off one of the places that's somewhat near Nashville and easy to get to.
That's right, we're going to take Dolly south to Davey Crockett State Park in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. It's about an hour south of Nashville.
Yeah, there's a small museum there that Marty can explore. Oh, look, we're taking one.
Hey, look who's going with us this time.
Since it's close to Nashville, we decided we would bring 2 of our best buddies. There's actually another one of these cute Goldens back there, and they are so excited to get to go on this trip. They only get to go if we stay close to home and it's not too far. We're not going to be gone too long, right?
That's right.
All right, we're going to explore a small museum that is there at Davey Crockett State Park, and there's a lake and some biking trails that we're excited to explore. So we're going to take you along with us.
I've been an entertainment reporter in Nashville covering the country music scene for years, and Dolly is my favorite interview by far. Marty and I have 2 boys. Our oldest is a photographer and filmmaker who loves the outdoors. The youngest is a songwriter and country music artist, and we can't wait to take Dolly on the road to some of his shows. We've been camping since our boys were toddlers, but recently purchased our Class C RV and are excited to share our travels with you. The boys had no idea how much fun was ahead, and we had no idea how beautiful this park would be. Gorgeous, quiet countryside with wildlife welcoming us as we arrived. We stayed in Campground 2 and were super pleased with the wide wooded area beside our spot. We're getting pretty fast at setup, and we're ready to check out the park in less than half an hour. We set out early to beat the heat and explore. The 1,300-acre park has numerous hiking and biking trails. We rode the bike straight from our campsite through the beautiful wooded trails down to the Davey Crockett Museum. Crockett was a famous Tennessee pioneer, and we enjoyed learning a little bit more about our home state. Just past the museum, we stopped for a bit to enjoy Crockett Falls before making our way back up the hill on the bikes.
That was a hill.
Yeah, that was a hill. I have almost decided that this is one of Tennessee's best kept secrets. This park is absolutely gorgeous. We've almost biked the entire thing, and at every turn, it's beautiful.
You got bike trails in the woods, and then you got good roads that you can ride on as well.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be just more of a leisurely bike trail, but it's almost more of a mountain biking trail, which he really liked.
Later in the day, we took Charlie and Tucker down to explore Lake Lindsay. It's perfect for fishing, or you can rent canoes or paddle boats for less than $10. Tucker highly recommends chasing the geese. Tucker, come here, you having a good time? Ready for dinner, Marty poured his favorite cowboy brand charcoal into the pit to prepare the fire for dinner. We picked up some ribeyes for this trip, and Marty was looking forward to using his huge iron skillet.
We've salted and peppered them already pretty generously. And then we're going to take this rosemary from Jennifer's garden. We're going to throw that in the pan with some butter and cook these up over an open fire. It should be great.
After melting about half a stick of butter in the hot skillet, he added the fresh rosemary and seared the steaks for about 6 minutes on each side. While he cooked the steaks, I fried some potatoes with onions and sauteed green beans and cooked some mushrooms. As always, one of the best parts of camping are the meals we enjoy together, and this was a good one. Together is the best place to be, and the best place to be together is in the outdoors. Join us next time we're on the road with Dolly.